What were the discussions concerning the current situation of Zimbabwe?
Yes, the situation of Zimbabwe is quite good. We are now looking forward to develop our country. We are no longer to slide back anymore. We are now drive the economy way forward to develop our country. But however, we are so grateful to see other people they are developing. They are doing different kinds of indigenous in our country to develop our country, to do everything in our country, because Zimbabwe is a resourceful country. I do believe that Zimbabwe will no longer be colon again anymore. Don't ever fool yourself. I told Blair last night that keep England, I also keep my country. I have not even an inch of land, which I have taken from you, Blair. Enough is enough. Zimbabwe will no longer be colon again anymore.
So, Your Excellency, what are your last words to the people of Zimbabwe?
Let's wait to have viewing to see long to go way forward to develop our country. We are not having any stumbling block on the road we're going. We are now developing our country right now. I thank you.
All right. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Thank you.